Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 8 captive screws on the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch the drive and lift it out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, relatch it to the system and secure it with the screw. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.